What's up, guys? Today we're showing my whole family, and this is my mom, guys. You already know. And this is I don't know. And this is my tita.
Saan ko nilalagay? Saan ko
Look.
pinapasok?
Yup. That's my tita, and this is the baby, and this is grandpa. And that's where my grandpa. And this where I restored my Lego. This is where I restored my Lego. Right there. Like that there. Yeah, I have a lot. Yup. Already know I have a lot of toys. I already told you that. And I have Legos. Look, I have a new one. A ball. Yup, a ball. And this ball. And this gun. Yup, I have new of those. And this is, yup. I showed you guys. Okay. Like and subscribe. Bye, guys. Stay safe.
Malaki nga po, malaki siya.